こんにちは、うさこです。Hello, I'm Usako。今日はレストランで使える日本語を勉強しましょう。Today, let's learn Japanese phrases you can use at a restaurant. じゃあ、始めましょう。Let's begin. Let's enter the restaurant. いらっしゃいませ。Welcome. 日本のお店ではとてもよく聞きます。You hear this everywhere in Japan. Restaurants, shops, convenience stores, everywhere. Usually, you don't need to reply. A smile is okay. Let's practice together. いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？ How many people? Repeat after me. 何名様ですか？何名様ですか？ Japanese has special counters for people. For example, one person is 一人. Two people is 二人. 一人です。One person. Now, let's order some food. すみません。Excuse me. はい。Yes. おすすめは何ですか？ What do you recommend? Let's practice together. おすすめは何ですか？おすすめは何ですか？これはとても便利なフレーズです。This is a super useful phrase, especially if the menu is large, you don't know what to choose, or you want local specialties. Many restaurants in Japan have seasonal specials, so recommendations can change often. これをお願いします。This, please. It's very simple and very useful. You can point at the menu while saying it. Let's practice together. これをお願いします。これをお願いします。お水をお願いします。Water, please. 水 means water. お水 is the polite version. In Japan, cold water is often served automatically, and sometimes green tea too. Let's practice together. お水をお願いします。お水をお願いします。Before you eat. いただきます。いただきます。Japanese people often say this before eating. It expresses gratitude to the cook for the food and for the meal itself. There's no perfect English translation, but it's a very important cultural phrase in Japan. Let's practice together. いただきます。いただきます。おいしい。甘い。あったかい。Japanese people often react naturally during meals like this. After you eat. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for the meal. Japanese people say this after eating. It means, thank you for the wonderful meal. This is another important cultural phrase. Many people say it before leaving the restaurant or even at home. Let's practice together. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。